Hello everyone, I hope everyone are safe and healthy. My name is Prajwal KS. I am here to share my experience regarding admission Gyan and the overall process and the procedure which took place for my masters. It was my dream goal to complete my masters in abroad, so I contacted and approached admission Gyan to help me out with it. The first point of contact was Sonali. She gave me a complete counseling session, which university do I need to choose or which course do I need to pursue with it, and also she sent out the list of universities where I need to choose according to the deadlines and dates. And once after that, it was the next stage where all the application will be sent out and the documents. For me, it was the next point of contact was Nidhi from the admission Gyan. She was very friendly and she was very helpful with all those things. She sent out the mail with stating like all the samples will be sent out to me, and I do need to review it and do need to check it out with. So I did that, and obviously once after that, the letter of recommendation, the statement of purpose, all your degree certificates, your theses, your CV, your experience letters, I did send out to Nidhi for the application, and the application was sent out to the university through the application portal. Obviously each and every applications and also the credentials, each and everything will be sent out to you guys. Even for me also, it was sent out from Nidhi. She said all the details. She said even the credential details, updates, and even for the Sweden portal, everything. I applied for Sweden for 4 universities. Okay, so once after that, in later stage, I got a result for one university, and the university name was University West in Sweden, for the course Robotics and Automation. And I was very happy. Obviously it was my dream goal to pursue in that particular stream itself. Later on, the university will give you some time for proceeding with your fees and transaction. So obviously during this time, in pandemic effect, the banks were not properly, functionality was not there, but admission Gyan gave me a complete contact details, and Nidhi also helped me out with providing the details of the forex where I need to contact or which details I need to send out to them. And once after that, I got a complete details, invoice details from the university, and stating I got admitted in the university. And I was very happy, and I'm thankful for the admission Gyan in helping me out with it. Then later it was visa. So Nidhi came back with saying like she'll be sharing a screen where I'll be seeing all the procedure of visa application, what all things has to be done, and for that, what all things has to be getting done, like from bank, will be your bank statements, your deposits, everything. Even she gave me a complete idea what I need to do it. So visa obviously takes some months, obviously visa takes some months, and slots, it takes some time. And even I got a slot. As of now, I'm waiting for my slot. I'm waiting for all these things to be get done as soon as possible, and to travel to my university itself. And I'm thankful for Nidhi and Sonali and the admission team for helping me out with this entire process and procedure, obviously during this pandemic effect and everything. And I do suggest all my friends and everyone to do visit admission Gyan and to get a counseling sessions over there. You guys will love it, and you guys will enjoy it. Thank you so much, admission Gyan, Nidhi and Sonali as well. Thank you.